In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new folders in Outlook. If your inbox is getting crowded, creating a few well-named folders can make a huge difference. We'll do this in the Outlook web app, which you can open in any modern browser. Start by going to outlook.live.com and sign in if you're prompted. This is the mail experience for Outlook on the web, and everything we do here will apply to your email account right away. Once the page loads, look to the left side of the screen. That's your navigation pane, where you'll see your email account at the top and your standard folders like inbox, sent items, and drafts. Below those, there is a section for folders where your custom folders will live. If that area looks collapsed, hover your mouse and expand it so you can see the full list. Next, move your cursor to the left pane and find the three dots icon. It usually appears next to your account name or the folder section label. Click those three dots to open a small menu. This is where Outlook keeps additional options that aren't always visible by default, and it's the quickest way to start organizing. From that menu, choose Create New Folder. As soon as you select it, a text field appears in the left pane, ready for you to name the folder. Type a clear, descriptive name, something like bills, travel, projects, or newsletters. Short, meaningful names make it easier to scan your list later. Avoid special characters that might not be supported, and think about how the name will sort alphabetically, since folders typically list in that order. When you're happy with the name, press Enter. That's it. The folder is created and added to your list. You'll see it immediately in the left pane, and you can start using it right away. You can drag messages from your inbox into the new folder, or open an email and use the Move command to file it. If you change your mind about the name, don't worry, you can rename it later from the same left pane menu. A few quick tips to keep things tidy. Plan a simple structure before you make lots of folders, keep names consistent, and avoid creating so many that you spend more time browsing than searching. If you ever don't see the three dots, make sure you're in the mail view of Outlook and that the left pane isn't minimized. And that's the process. Open Outlook on the web, head to the left pane, click the three dots, choose Create New Folder, name it, and press Enter. You're now set up to organize your email with confidence.